Welcome to Minute Memory. Did you know the cheerful little helpers in Santa's workshop have roots in ancient myths? From Norse gods to Christmas traditions, elves have a fascinating backstory. Elves have captivated human imagination for centuries. In mythology, they were mysterious and powerful, far from the toy-making helpers we know today. But how did these ancient beings end up at the North Pole, making toys for children? Let's find out. In Norse mythology, they were divine entities called álfar, living in realms of light and shadow, influencing the natural world. Later, Germanic folklore reshaped them into mischievous household spirits, helping or hindering humans depending on their mood. Over time, their roles in folklore faded, but a curious transformation occurred. Elves began to appear in Christmas traditions. Why did these mystical beings become synonymous with holiday cheer? The connection between elves and Christmas starts with Nordic folklore. Beings like nisse or tomte, small magical creatures, were believed to deliver gifts during the winter holidays. These traditions crossed into English-speaking cultures, where Victorian writers romanticized elves, associating them with whimsy and joy. By the 19th century, Santa Claus emerged as a beloved figure, and artists imagined him surrounded by helpers to build toys in his workshop. Advertisements and literature cemented the idea, blending ancient mythology with modern holiday magic. From divine guardians to Santa's workshop, elves have undergone an extraordinary transformation. Their journey reflects the blending of mythology, folklore, and festive imagination, creating the enchanting helpers we know today. Thanks for watching Minute Memory. What do you think about the origins of elves? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating folklore and mythology.